Hi Andrew, it's Chris Reed here from Ardor SEO, and I've put together this short video audit to show you the huge potential available for your website. So the keyword that we were talking about originally was freelance graphic design. So I've typed that into Google, and you can see the search results here. Here are the ads up the top, and these are quite expensive ads, as generally keywords like this are very sought after. But ads actually only get about 2% of the clicks. The vast majority of those clicks go to these organic rankings here. And I can see that the Gumtree is in the #1 position. So that tells me that this is actually a really easy keyword to go after. And getting in this Google Maps, you can see these guys have no reviews. So dominating the Google Maps really shouldn't be that much work. So this is a partial match domain, so I didn't use those as an example. I went with this ChristyRussellDesign.com just because they sound like a nice freelance agency, so I thought that would be a good comparison to compare apples with apples. So if you go to Google and type site : your domain name, this shows all of the pages that you have indexed in Google. And straight away I can see there's a HTTPS here and there's not here. That means that you have some sort of HTTP issue that you should sort out. It's not a big issue, but it's usually an easy fix. And did I just see blog twice? No. Okay. Sorry, I thought I saw. Oh, yeah, there. Yeah, here's this blog, and here's this blog here. So there's another issue that you should look at. So it looks like a bit of your site structure is wrong. And so these pages are ranked by what Google thinks is the most important, and you can see that there's an about. So yeah, you definitely need to look at your site structure there. And I'd also look at improving your description. That can be longer, and unless people really know who you are, then your brand name's not so important. It's much more important to show what you actually do, because people don't know your name. So when they're searching for a freelance graphic designer, yeah, they want to see this. So it'd even be a better solution to move this to the left-hand side and then your name to the right. So if we go over to SEMRush here, we can see that you're not really ranking for anything. You are ranking for freelance graphic design, but way down at number 47, which is not going to get you any traffic. Where this Kirsty Russell design, you can see that they rank for 49 keywords, generating 108 visitors every day. If they were to buy all that traffic with Google AdWords, it would cost $640, and that's US dollars. So that's a pretty good start. And it looks like that they have been working on something, because just in the last month they've gone from 50 up to like 107 visitors a day. That's their 6-month view, which is pretty nice increase, which shows just how readily you could double your website traffic. And you can see here's all the keywords that they rank for, and here's their position. So doing really nice, like graphic design Perth, number 3 with 480 visitors. That cost per click is $5.89, and that's US dollars. Remember, so they've got a host of keywords, so looking really well. So two things that they have is a nice site structure and good content, but Google can't really tell who's the best graphic designer in Perth. Once you've got a nice website with all the content on there, the next thing comes down to how much authority you have. Who's talking to you, who's linking to you. And if we go and look at that, we can see that your website has a trust flow, or basically an authority of 2, which is really low. And your citation flow is 13. So that's basically, this is how much trust the links have that are linking to your website. And this is how much kind of link juice pushes through them. And these numbers should generally be very close to each other, and yours are out of whack, which tells me that you've got some really bad links. You've got 38 domains, and I would say that the vast majority of them are rubbish and should be disavowed. So if we go over and look at these guys, you can see that they actually only have 13 domains. So you're 38 to their 13, but their trust flow is 12. So that tells me that they're a lot better domains, a lot better quality. It's just like, you don't take everyone's advice the same. If a taxi driver is giving you some financial advice, you're not going to take it as with as much notability as, say, an investment banker. So it's the same with backlinks. Not everyone's weighted the same, and so their links are a lot more valuable. And so even without touching your website, without adding any content or doing anything, just adding more authority, more backlinks would really rise the tide for all of your keywords. But certainly it looks like you need to work on your content and site structure as well, which is certainly something we can help you with. So who am I anyway? Well, that's me right there. My name's Chris Reed. I'm the CEO and founder of Ardor SEO, and we specialize in working with companies just like yours to generate thousands more visitors to their website each and every month. My only real question for you today, Andrew, is if you'd like me to put together a strategy to show you exactly how we can generate thousands more visitors to your website. All you need to do is click the button below this video. It'll pop up my calendar. Just find a date and time that works for you and book in a call. Some questions I'd like you to ask yourself is, what's your average customer worth to you? What's your current conversion rate from your website? And what would an extra 1,000 visitors a month mean for your business? And just to big note ourselves, we do work with quite a number of really great agencies all across Australia. You probably know WooCom in Perth, Move Ahead Media in Sydney. We've been working with them for like 4 or 5 years. And one of our biggest customers is Sponsored Links up in Brisbane. They've got over 120 staff in Brisbane, so they're huge. Anyway, Andrew, I hope you found that useful and informative, and I hope you'll be booking in a call and we get to speak real soon. So have a great day, and bye-bye.